Hey, what's up, Winklink coin holder, my brother? This time the Winklink condition is very critical now. Minus 10.44%. The price is decreased now, and we will discuss in this video, my brother, the current condition and absolutely what we will need to do this to in upcoming time. The price of Winklink coin is increasing or not, my brother, and what we need, my friends, to starting selling. What we will need to starting selling, holding, or buying in the current condition. So let's get started without any time waste, but kindly if you are new to my channel, subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Alright, my brother, as you can see here the chart results. So the chart result is clearly tell this, my friends, to the price were very badly falls down, and absolutely if a price were falls down, so this does not mean to in upcoming time the price will also falls down. They cannot move upward. Yes, absolutely this does not mean, but I hope in upcoming days if they were fails down today, so I will give you guarantee to after this fails they will take a very huge jump now. So if you want to get a profit in very short time, I think absolutely you will need to do this what I tell you. My opinion is for all of you to please hold it now. What's your opinion? Share it in a comment box. But this time, my friend, the chart is very badly falls down, minus 10.44% decrease now, in the highest price 0.00071, and the you can see her current price is 0.0000591. So it's very big difference, my friend, but I hope they will recover this all loss now, and definitely they will again hit this highest point now. So this is possible just in all the if a short-term investor are starting holding now. So what you need, my friends, what you want to get a my friends starting selling to get a buying more, or what you want, my friends, to get a profit. So absolutely if a short-term investor starting selling, so definitely they will take a profit, but you will need, my brothers, to get a more profit. So please hold it now and don't starting selling. So thanks for watching, holder. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more this type informative and urgent updates videos.